In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple languages in Shopify store. By the end, you'll have a multilingual storefront that helps shoppers browse and buy in the language they prefer, all powered by a translation app inside your Shopify admin. Start by opening your Shopify dashboard. In the admin, use the search bar to quickly find what you need, then open apps. From there, head to all recommended apps and continue to the Shopify App Store. In the App Store search bar, type TLab, AI Language Translate. When you see the app in the results, open it to view the details, then select Install. You'll be prompted to confirm permissions, so go ahead and install again to approve access. This is standard for Shopify apps and lets the translator work with your store content. Once the app opens, choose Add a Language. You'll see an option to add language, and you can repeat this up to 20 times if you're targeting multiple markets. Use the language drop-down to pick the language you want to add, then click Add Language to confirm. Next, enable the language so it can be prepared for your storefront, and accept the prompt to finalize that change. Inside the app, look for the Translate option. This is where you decide exactly what gets translated: product titles and descriptions, collections, theme text, and more. Automatic AI translation gets you started fast, and you can always refine important phrases later for accuracy and brand tone. When you're ready to connect your language to a specific web address, open the three-dot menu and choose to link a domain. This lets you associate a domain or subdomain with that language, which is useful for localization and better user experience. After linking, open the three-dot menu again and choose Publish. Publishing makes the language live for customers, so consider previewing your storefront in that language first to catch any text that might need polishing. Finally, return to the app dashboard to explore more customization options. This is a good place to adjust translation scope, review machine translations, and fine-tune key marketing or legal copy. If your brand uses specific terminology, set those preferences so the app stays consistent. And remember, you can add more languages later using the same flow. That's it. You've added multiple languages to your Shopify store using the TLab, AI Language Translate app, enabled them, linked to the right domain, and published them for your customers. Follow these steps for each new language you want to support, and your store will be ready for